hey, the PE guys are back, and I want to give you an alternative activity. You don't just have to be doing stretching and running and jumping and all these things. You do gardening, and what a great time to establish a garden in your yard. Well, I'll give you an idea of what instruments we can be using, but be safe. We got the mower, we got the blower, we got the hoe, the shovel, the rake, and the broom. All these items can help you get some great activity through the week. And you help your parents out. They'll love you. First of all, we're going to have a little demonstration. Mike's going to demonstrate how to use the equipment properly, because safety is number one. Mike?
First things first, we got to make sure we know how to operate our mower. If you don't know how to do this, you can always ask a parent. I have an electric mower, so I'm going to, of course, pull the handle down, and then I have a button that starts it. So when I start it, it will go. Now, while I'm mowing, I got to make sure I don't put my feet under the mower, or I might lose my feet or my legs.
Hey Mike, you want a good workout? You can go a little faster.
Oh, okay.
But don't forget to come back, do the other line. Excellent. Excellent. Oh,
How about one hand?
safety, safety.
The one hand mow.
Hey, let's park that thing right over there.
All right.
Hey, if you don't like mowing, there's always hoeing. Mike, he's really good with this tool. And you know, it's great. You can furrow the garden, get ready for planting some vegetables.
Okay. Where would you like your hole?
Well, that's a good spot.
Right here? Okay,
Yeah.
let's start doing it.
All right.
I don't know if this tool's very good, though.
I don't have our seeds right now, but leave it right there.
Okay.
Because then, make a furrow, plant some seeds, cover it back up, Mike.
Okay, I'll use
We're
my
just
hoe
going to
then.
pretend. Nice worm in there, too, by
Yeah,
the way.
I see that. It's a good specimen.
Boom, got it, water it. Hey, we got a garden going. If you do this for an hour, you'll get quite a workout. Now, I know you like mowing and hoeing, but there's also blowing. Now, if you got a big yard, blowing's the way to go, don't you think?
I totally agree.
What's the alternative to blowing, Mike?
Where is my trusty broom?
Oh,
You definitely work your arms. Get a great arm workout. Let me find a nice dirty spot. Oh, I found some grass clippings. It's great for dirt, grass clippings, debris. Get your back
hey,
into
that
it.
gets a good arm workout, doesn't it, Mike?
Yeah. We can work, of course, our biceps, triceps if we want to pull towards me.
And you know what? Like I said, get a lot better workout brooming than blowing. So you go to the broom. Manual is always more work, but better for you. Hey, Mike, you know what? I need to dig a hole for a fence post over there near the fence.
Really?
Yeah. So, you know, what tool can we use now?
Well, we have a couple options, don't we?
Yeah, I like the one on the ground over here.
Shovel?
Okay.
Okay, we can use a shovel.
I do have a postal digger.
If you have a postal digger, that's even better.
I'd like it right in front of this tree that I'm going to take out.
Okay.
I need to get a post in there.
Got it. Let's start digging.
Yeah, it's some tough ground.
Gotta
Way
use
to
your
break
whole
it
body, your feet, your back.
You get a pretty good back workout with that also as well. You know what, Mike?
Yeah.
I need about 15 of these post
15?
holes. Yeah, but
How many days is that going to take?
it's going to take quite a bit. This is going to be a couple weeks worth of
Oh,
work.
okay.
Yeah, I figure, you know, you're working about 20, 30 minutes a post hole. It could be a
We
great,
need two
great work.
holes a day?
Hey, 2 holes a day. That's all
Okay,
you need.
2
2
holes.
holes a day. So,
Sounds good.
you know, gardening is an exciting adventure. You get lots of reward. You got fruit trees, we got beautiful flowers, and we get to be out in nature. So enjoy your gardening routine, use your tools safely, and we'll be back. See ya.